You guys, I'm so excited to show you where I am. I'm currently here in the hills of East Bali, specifically a village called Manggis in the region of Karangasem. And I'm currently staying at a place called Kaura Bali, and I'm really excited to show you the pavilion or the place that I'm staying at. So without further ado, here is a tour of my room. So if you unzip this over here, you have this beautiful big bed and this gorgeous view of the rice fields. And then the windows there. You have this nice local fruit. It actually tells you in this card, manggis or mangosteen. It's the local fruit here in Bali. And this cute little frog with a nice note. We've been expecting you, Miss Melanie. Aww. And it has like cute little flowers on the side. Ribbit, ribbit. And then moving further along, you have the AC and the closet space where you can hang your clothes, and these large bottles of water, Kaura, some coffee you can make for the morning with espresso blend, Tanamera. Sounds like some high quality coffee. And then a lock for your precious valuables and some flip-flops. If you open this door over here, you have this amazing bathroom. It's nice and modern and industrial look with this rain shower over here. And Sensation brand shampoo and body wash. Good for the environment, nice and organic. And then you have all the towels and all the toiletry that you need, toothbrush and Kleenex. And another cute little towel that's shaped like an animal. Looks like a crab. And you got the bum gun, which is awesome. Just going back to the room is amazing from the bathroom. It's absolutely stunning. It actually is the best view I've ever had in Bali. The best stay I've ever stayed at in Bali. And I highly recommend it if you're looking for a beautiful getaway away from all the noise, all the traffic, and you just want to heal, or you just want to immerse in a retreat of wellness, sustainability, eco-conscious, and very immersed in the Balinese spirit and culture. Come to Manggis and come to Kaura Bali, because hands down, this is the best view and stay I've ever stayed at in my life. Something I haven't really seen before, which is really cool, is that Kaura has these plugs, but on the floor. So let's give that a try. Gotta put my adapter, and I'm going to plug in my cell phone charger and see if it charges my cell phone. Sweet. That is so awesome, guys. So many plugs to plug in, immersed in nature, everything you need to have a comfortable experience. So awesome, guys. You can actually see multiple pavilions. So you're immersed in like this community in Kaura, which is a really cool concept. You're immersed in a Balinese village, so you get a taste of that, and you're in a community with wellness activities. There's a lot surrounding environmentalism and sustainability, and there's a lot of teachings and knowledge about Balinese culture. And actually, even like the fruit, like here's a card teaching you about the local fruit. Their towels are shaped as animals, and they actually have this book, Tropical Landscape Filled with Different Creatures, that give you knowledge about the different creatures that you can find in Bali. For example, the biawak, the tokek, which is gecko, frogs, bees, and the rice paddy snake. So really cool information, and it's labeled Kaura. Really cool from Kaura. I really appreciate that. And yeah, you're just immersed in all of this. The elevated rice paddies, the view, that's actually Padang Bai. And you can see Lombok and Nusa Penida as well. And I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there's just kites flying in the air. It's so serene. You have the view of the ocean. All I can hear is the sound of nature, and there's like a nice little stream going into the rice paddies, and it just sounds so nice. No roads at all, so you don't hear any scooters, loud bikes, or cars. Just this beautiful, gorgeous view. This is pretty much the best day and view I've ever seen, not only in Bali, but in my entire life. Alright guys, so I am going to lock up my space, and I'm gonna go ahead and explore Kaura Bali a bit, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So, leaving this gorgeous space, and there's a pathway up. Wow, it's just like everywhere from left to right in front of me. Just this lovely sound of the water flowing to the rice fields. I love that. It's so serene. And keep going up. They're just like little mini waterfalls. And look at all these pavilions around me. Super cool. Like a community. So if you bring a bunch of your best friends or family, like you're all super close together, and it's all facing this gorgeous view. So that's really cool. Moving on up. Let's see this view. Okay. So it should be easy not to get lost. Just keep following this path, and I should end up in the eating area. So yeah, if you're traveling with a large group and it's kind of hard to drive up the hills and bring all your baggage, you can actually just call a ride up here, and they take you directly to the space, so you can avoid all the hassle. But if you're down for a motorbike adventure, that's a cool idea too, but you can also opt for a car ride as well. Wow. Wow. There's more water. And you can see all the pavilions. I believe there's more than 20 here. Super cool. Wow. It's like made of high quality material, and I love the color. It just fits so naturally with the scenery. Okay, let's move down. Such an adventure here. Like, you really feel like you're a part of the village or inside a village, but kind of a more luxurious experience. Hello! And look at that one. This gets a view of the jungles on the hills of East Bali. Wow, nice balcony that. This would be an amazing view, or amazing spot to do yoga, right over there. Okay, I think this goes all the... Hello! This way? The restaurant? This way? Okay. I got a little bit lost. Okay, going back up. I was following the wrong path. So, keep on going up. This is Kaura Bali, guys. Here in Manggis, East Bali, Indonesia. Absolutely gorgeous. It is a retreat immersed in the village of the hills of East Bali, Indonesia. Awesome! Okay guys, so I made my way up and here is the restaurant. Hi! Hi! Hello!
Safe flight tomorrow. Okay, bye. Bye bye.
Wow! And here you have the infinity pool that's overlooking this gorgeous view of Manggis Karangasem in Bali. And here's the restaurant. So I'm hungry guys and I think I'm gonna eat now, so I'll see you later. So when you're in Kaura, it's kind of like you're immersed in the village and you can see the local gathering some leaves over there and working on the rice fields. Really awesome. Kind of a very once in a lifetime unique experience that I've never seen anywhere else offered. Okay guys, so it's about 6 p.m. and I'm about to have dinner at Kaura and this is what the view looks like. So the lights are on in the restaurant and here's the view. So actually, these things on the floor light up, which is really cool. Super dope. And they're everywhere surrounding the area with the infinity pool. And this really moody sky right now. And I'm excited to eat. See you guys. Wow, so basically for dinner we have 3 courses and then this is the first course. It's
ceviche with tamarind sauce.
Makasih. Hey guys, this is the first course out of a 3-course meal for dinner and it is shrimp ceviche. Woo. Let's give it a taste. So a little bit of sauce. Get that. Gonna have to peel this. Or if you just eat it. Okay, now we're gonna try this local shrimp from Bali and dip it in tamarind sauce. Wow. I've never had shrimp with tamarind and it's really good. Good. So what is this called?
Is it called bebek betutu?
Bebek, and bebek is duck?
Yes.
Ooh, that is Indonesian bebek. Lovely. Makan. Okay guys, here's the main course. It is bebek, which is duck. So this is an Indonesian dish and I love how there's always meat and veggies on the side. So it's a nice balance. Let's give it a try. Ooh. I put some lime in there so it's nice and a bit tangy. Not as salty as I thought. And the meat is really cooked well here. Wow. Duck has a lot of flavor. So this is the third course for dinner. It's dessert, and what is it called?
Telur mandi.
Telor mandi.
It's made from sweet potato. The purple one is the purple sweet potato. The yellow one is the yellow sweet potato, and the green one is made from pandan to make it green.
Ooh.
And the white one
Wow, cool.
is the flour made from rice flour and coconut milk.
Wow. Cool. Thank you.
This one is the palm sugar.
Palm sugar?
Palm sugar syrup. It's actually the sugar made from the villager near here.
Wow, local
It's
palm
local,
sugar. Very nice. So this is an Indonesian dessert called telur mandi. Telur means egg and mandi means shower, so it's kind of like the eggs in a shower. So let's give it a try. The white is from the flour. Oh my god. That's so good. It's like milky and sugary and delicious. I didn't expect that. Okay, so we'll try the purple. Ooh, kind of hard to, might have to just take it out like a fork. Yeah, maybe a fork. I tasted the white cream. It's really good. And I love just the chewy texture. It's like a rice cake candy ball. I love Indonesian desserts. Makasih. So she gave us a fork. It's kind of better to poke at it. Let's try this yellow ball. Oh. There's like brown sugar in it. Kind of like dadar gulung. I think that's what it's called. It's so fun and delightful and exciting, and a little surprise in there. Okay. Green ball. And I wonder if there's some brown sugar in there as well. Let's find out. Yep. It's all in there. I think my favorite is just the white cream sauce. The mandi. All the telur and taking a shower in the white sauce. I think this has to be one of my favorite Indonesian desserts. It's really good. I highly recommend it. Telur mandi. Alright, so I'm gonna dip this telur mandi Indonesian dessert in the palm sugar, which is actually locally sourced in Manggis. So dip that. It's taking a nice little shower in here too. Palm sugar is so good. One more dip. Ooh.
So good.
Alright guys, so we're ending first day dinner with chamomile tea. And that's day one in Kaura. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Alright guys, so I just finished dinner and I'm back at my place, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like at nighttime. Ta-da! So this is the pavilion at night. 2 lamps. Really cool. It was raining a bit, and it's really cool to be immersed in nature in this pavilion, and you could hear the raindrops pouring. It really gives you a sense that you're just outside, and it's a very adventurous feeling. And I'm super full. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video guys. Peace.